Hello everyone, my name is Tyageshwaran and I am from Trichy, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my BE in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Jerusalem College of Engineering, Chennai. After completing my graduation, I am looking for a job in IT sector and I came to know about eVision Technolab Private Limited from my cousin where they provide support for our job preparation interview. With their help of I got placed in Kendall Ashok Leyland with a package of 2.8 LPA per annum. First of all, I would like to thank all the support and staff who supported me through the process of interview and mock interview preparation. They supported me to get a good job in the field of IT. So thanks to all the staff members and team members. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Easy.